I'm Chirag Bains, and I'm the Director of Legal Strategies at Demos. Brett Kavanaugh could take us backward on issues of racial equity. Let's look at what happened post-Hurricane Katrina. People in New Orleans accused HUD of using a relief formula that advantaged white homeowners over black homeowners. If you were black, HUD's formula left you with a bigger bill to repair your homes. Kavanaugh voted to reject the lawsuit's claim that the formula had an unjustified disparate impact on people of color. The case calls into question how Kavanaugh will rule on other practices that have an unfair racial impact. This nomination could jeopardize the freedom to vote. In South Carolina, Judge Kavanaugh voted to uphold the state's photo ID law. He rejected claims that the law would disproportionately hurt voters of color, and that it was intended to do so. His record indicates that he will likely rule to overturn Roe v. Wade, or to kill it by 1,000 cuts. Take the case of an undocumented teen in federal custody who wanted to have an abortion. Kavanaugh tried to stop her, but the decision did not go his way. And let's not forget, President Trump promised to appoint only justices who would overturn Roe. Brett Kavanaugh laid the legal groundwork for super PACs. He has been a judicial activist on this issue. Even before the Supreme Court's landmark decision in Citizens United, Judge Kavanaugh struck down rules meant to combat the influx of dollars from outside organizations in elections. A Supreme Court that includes Kavanaugh could put at risk some of the few remaining protections we have against big money in politics, including rules about political party money and disclosure requirements. The nominee voted to undermine the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, an agency that serves millions of Americans. He said it was unconstitutional. Kavanaugh's legal reasoning on this issue was ultimately rebuffed. Kavanaugh's record raises concerns that he would be yet another vote for wealthy special interests and an economy that doesn't work for all of us. The stakes could not be higher for individuals and families whose lives are directly impacted by the court's decisions. Don't take your rights for granted. Stay on top of what's happening with Demos. Visit our website, follow us on Twitter, and check out our Facebook page.